René Guénon brilliantly explains how the Sphinx represents the combination of both spiritual authority and temporal power. Its human head can be considered as representing wisdom, which is timeless, eternal. On the other hand, its leonine body represents strength, which most of us sees in the mundane world. The Sphinx is always represented at rest as the mere possibility of action. It reflects the divine principle which unifies the eternal wisdom and temporal action in our mundane world. Guénon reinforces several times that temporal action could only spring from eternal wisdom. Similarly, Christianity affirms these two functions in terms of priesthood and royalty as inseparable in the person of Christ. Priesthood receives its power directly from this source, with which it is in immediate contact by its very nature. On the other hand, royalty can receive its power only through the intermediary of the priesthood. Indeed, the latter truly would only play the role of mediating between heaven and earth. As modernity and the so-called cycle of Kali Yuga goes on, such unification becomes nearly impossible, and temporal action is increasingly dissociated from eternal principles. The supremacy of temporal action inverts these relationships, and maladies we see today are directly related to this.